Your daily practice. One of the biggest mistakes athletes make is thinking confidence should automatically happen. But confidence is not magic. Confidence is built. It's built through daily habits. Confidence is a muscle. It's your brain, and your brain is a muscle that you must train. Just like speed, just like shooting, hitting, any sport you play has things that you have to train. Well, if you want to be confident, you must train your brain. And then when things happen, it comes natural. Your mindset will continue to get stronger as you grow, as you change. And I want to remind you, here's your challenge. Your challenge is to work on your mental performance, your mindset, 5 to 20 minutes per day. That's what you need to train your mind. Give yourself a high five in the mirror every morning. There takes 30 seconds. Speak kindly to yourself through affirmations. There's another 30 to minute. Visualize. Close your eyes and visualize your success. Use your breathing to calm and regulate your body. Reflect. Write in a journal every day. Let me share something with you. When I started writing in my journal, I saw my life change. So not only in my journal did I say how I was feeling, I wrote an affirmation. I did a brain dump and wrote down everything that I needed to do so I wouldn't forget and I didn't have to carry that around every day. And then I wrote the 3 things that were most important to me that I really wanted in life. And then I wrote 3 things that I could do today and every day, because I write in my journal every single day, what I'm going to focus on to get me to my ultimate dream, to those 3 things that I truly want in life. The other thing is when mistakes happen, use your reset. Over time, these habits become absolutely automatic. Your brain starts to believe it, and your body, it feels it, and it begins to trust. Your confidence becomes real, real, strong confidence. Small daily practice habits will create this, but you have to practice if you want to create these habits that will create big change, big outcomes for your future. Now, keep showing up, keep putting in the work. Small habits over time create big astronomical changes. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. Chase your dreams. Get after it.